Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anuja Lele, founder of Sahaj Healthcare. Today I am here to tell you all about 5 changes to be made in our lifestyle to boost immunity. This word immunity or immune system is a very hyped word of lately. But what does this immune system really mean? Immune system is a group of organs that protect our body against infections. So, a weak immunity system is invitation to various diseases. The signs of weak immune system are catching colds very frequently, wounds healing up very slowly, having lot of tummy troubles, recurrent skin infections or rashes, and feeling very tired all through the day. But whether your immunity is weak or strong, we all must continually put in efforts to maintain this immunity, thereby giving good health. And who knows it better than us that we cannot take anything for granted these days. So here are 5 tips to boost your immunity. The first and foremost is to maintain a healthy, well-balanced diet. That is point 1. A healthy, well-balanced diet is the key to strong immune system. So please make sure that you have plenty of vegetables, fruits, legumes, healthy fats, and lean proteins. We all know that food gives us energy, but apart from that, it plays a very vital role in strengthening our immune system. Also, researchers have said that our body absorbs nutrients better from dietary sources than supplements. So, we must all focus on having a well-balanced diet. The point number 2 is to exercise regularly. Exercise is not just to build muscles or lose weight, but it plays a very important role in strengthening our immunity. When we exercise, it boosts the overall circulation, thereby the immune cells can reach or travel throughout the body. Hence, we must focus to stay active in order to strengthen our immune system. The third point is to minimize stress. Whether the stress is long term or it's short term, but we must see the effect of stress on the body. Especially during chronic stress, our body generates a response called as stress response. This stress response suppresses the immunity. So, I would request you all to please indulge in regular yoga and meditation to minimize stress. The fourth important point is to have adequate sleep. Now, sleep feels like an inactive process to us, but we are unaware that when we sleep, there are a lot of important functions going on in the body. The molecules of this immune system are created during sleep. In very easy words, if we have to put it, it's that the body repairs itself by killing certain molecules and by regenerating certain cells when we are asleep. So, if the sleep is inadequate, the repair is not proper. And if the repair is not proper, the body will not be able to function at optimum level when exposed to any diseases. Now, the last and most important point is to hydrate. We all have been hearing that we should have plenty of fluids. Why is it given so much stress upon? The fact is that our circulatory system has a component called lymph. This lymph carries the immune cells that fight against all the infections, and this lymph is largely made up of water. So when dehydrated, the movement of the lymph becomes very slow, thereby sometimes causing impaired immune function. So you can see that these small steps go a really long way in strengthening our immune system and thereby giving us good health. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, and take care, guys.
Sahaj Healthcare by Dr. Anuja Lele, India's leading homeopathy and healthcare clinic. For online consultation and appointment, contact us on these numbers. These numbers are also there in the description box. For more details, please visit our website sahajhealthcare.com. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe. Press the bell icon and never miss any update.